Okay, the indications are this may be a radiological emergency. Until we have a radiation detector here, we have to assume the numbers are high, so we'll have to back off. It could be terrorism, and radiation is tricky, but we can handle this until help arrives. Remember our training. Make sure dispatch called hazmat, emergency management, and mutual aid. Using the ERG Guide 163, we will consider this a large spill until we know the full extent. Isolate for a 75-foot radius and evacuate 330 feet downwind. Our incident command post, staging areas, and vehicles must be uphill and upwind. Don't drive through the affected area to go anywhere. Other than package labels, there are no specific signs of radiation. Let's assume it's everywhere inside the isolation zone and evacuation zone until radiation instruments show otherwise. Limit time near the isolation and evacuation zones and use our apparatus and structures to shield us. We need strict accountability so we can track people, minimize the spread of contamination, and estimate doses later. Clothing won't stop radiation. Our turnout gear and service uniforms with gloves can prevent skin contamination. While SCBA is best, even an N95 respirator will prevent radioactive material from getting inside us. Our primary objective is to save lives and prevent further harm. We can rescue living victims without worrying for dose. We can rapidly search for more victims without worrying for dose. We need to survey everyone coming out of the hot zone for radiation. Clothing removal and normal washing should remove radioactive contamination on people. Our secondary objectives are defensive: keep people out, preserve evidence, and watch for secondary devices. Remember, using ERG Guide 163 to isolate. Stage uphill, upwind, and upstream. SCBA and turnout gear for search and rescue. Remove clothes and gear before leaving the isolation zone. Notify the hospital of contaminated patients and maintain strict accountability. We're going to get through this all right.